Wonderful opportunity in Madison Place. Tons of square footage, with spacious and generous-sized rooms. Two-story foyer open to the family room with gas fireplace, ample dining area, bar open to the gourmet kitchen with great cabinet space and 5-foot wide pantry. Super master suite with spa-like master bath and large walk-in closet. Both secondary bedrooms are spacious with great closet space. Oversized rear entry garage, super neighborhood amenities including pool, tennis, clubhouse and volleyball courts.